Please tilt your mobile device now for increased visibility.
The primary keyword filter box will allow you to search for item keywords which are the equivalent of image or content tags you may have seen on other sites. So now I'm going to type in nuclear, which will return a few different category options which come up below. Within these categories are items which contain the keyword nuclear in them, ordered by their trending counts. Remember that you need a minimum of 3 characters in the filter box before the search will begin. The primary keyword filter can normally be utilized to help you find specific items covering more defined topics, and can be used in complement with other filter boxes too. Now I'm going to select an item based on the keyword Founding Fathers. From there, you'll then be able to see my description of that item, where I've also taken the liberty to use a link to support my thoughts on this item. Below that, you'll also see the category keywords and item keywords, which is what we're currently utilizing to find what we're looking for. The Founding Fathers keyword being located right there. From there, I can click on Go to Article to see information on how America was founded on Christian principles. This video has shown you how to utilize the primary keyword filter box at a basic level.